Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Bernadette Atis, 41 years old, mother of two, boy and girl. I have 8 years and 5 months experience here in Hong Kong with 3 employer. First, 4 years finished contract, I taking care a newborn baby and do household chores. Second, 4 years finished contract, I serve 2 couple and 3 adults and do household chores and marketing, car washing, and cooking. And last, 5 months she terminate me because she want me to find a part-time job, which I disagree because it's illegal. I am hardworking and honest helper to my future employer. If you hire me, well, I will do not say any promise, but I will do my very best to serve and respect your family. Thank you.